I know.
I will do it.
Let's go.
There we go.
And Josiah won. Okay, we'll wait one more. Josiah won because Josiah said Dempster Skokie. Now let's see if there'll be one going back. Let's see. I think that's it though, right? It's one going back and forth, right? No, that's not true because I saw two the other day. Okay, let's see. We'll wait. Josh, you're so funny. Okay, we'll wait for one more train. The next train will be going to Howard Street. We'll wait for 3 more minutes, okay, and then we'll go. All right? Deal?
There you go.
Look at that. Whoa. Did you see?